In today's video, I want to talk about how to make money with native ads. I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on native ads and generated millions in revenue. And today I want to talk about what are the step-by-step procedures that you need to take, where to get the offers, and how to get your ads on premium placements. So step one is we need to be able to get offers that are working well with this method. And this method involves using video sales letter style offers. That is an offer where you send somebody to and they watch a video and hopefully purchase the product. Now, one of the best networks for these types of offers is the Maxweb network. You can see here, it is an affiliate network that caters to all of these types of offers that go well with a mass appeal audience. Now, for example, on native ads, we are running mass appeal offers because native ads are really hard to target. You are basically putting your ads out there on major publishers like CNN or Fox or MSN, all of these places that you can get traffic, but it's really hard to zero in on people that are specific. That have specific needs and interests. So when you look at offers here on Maxweb, you can see that they do have things in weight loss, pet care. That is another mass appeal type of offer or industry. We have diet and fitness, and we skin and beauty. All of these things are areas that you would want to look at if you're running native ads, especially as an affiliate marketer. Now, another thing with Maxweb is they do pay weekly, and they do have a lot of information on the offers that you can run here. So for example, if I picked a skin and beauty and anti-aging, I could see a list of all of the offers for that, and I can sort by earnings per click, look at the average payout. And once you get into the offer that you've chosen, this case is South Beach Skin Lab, you can click on it and you can now get even more information, some email swipes, some good headlines that you could potentially use in your ads. All of these things you can use in your ad campaigns potentially, or use this stuff to inspire you to bring new ideas to the table. Okay, so once you have the offer chosen and you found where you want to get this offer, a good idea is to actually go to the offer page itself and perhaps just watch the video. You can see here, this is a video about skincare, and I'm gonna be running an ad about how to reduce wrinkles or that kind of thing. So what I'll usually do is watch the video. This gives me ideas for headlines. It also gives me ideas for angles that I can use throughout my advertising. And it also gives me some more descriptions and images I can use. So sometimes I'll even, in fact, just click play, and then I'll pause the video, or I will capture a screenshot while it's playing, which brings me to the next step is we want to create a landing page, because we want to be able to track people when they come from our native ad to our landing page. And I'm not going to explain how to set up a landing page because that is all explained at powerhouseaffiliate.com in the free course. So if you want to learn how to set up these landing pages quickly and get access to some templates, simply go to powerhouseaffiliate.com and check that training out. Now, once your landing page is set up, the next step will be to come up with some ideas for ads and also discover where people are running these types of offers. So if you use a tool like Adplexity, for example, this is a spy tool. You can go to powerhouseaffiliate.com/Adplexity, and you can get access to this tool for a big discount if you use that link. And the link will be down in the description, as well as the one for Maxweb. You can use the link down below. They do allow new affiliates. So if you're a new affiliate watching this, you can sign up to Maxweb and they will likely accept you, and you can start running these offers now on places like this. So if you have a look here, you can start spying on this. And what I'm going to be doing here, one thing I've discovered when watching this video is this is being promoted by a Dr. Ryan Shelton, okay? So if you take Dr. Ryan Shelton and you bring it over to a tool like Adplexity, and you paste that in, and you want to look for landing pages that include the word Dr. Ryan Shelton, and you can see these are all advertisements right now running on native ads to this particular offer. Okay, you can see exactly what people are doing. You can see their landing pages, you can see their targeting, you can see what traffic source they're using, and all of them are likely going through Maxweb network. this is one of the strategies, but what I would suggest is you not copy what other people are doing, because this rarely works. Trust me, a lot of these ads have been running for a while, and when you start running native ads, you're going to find that native ads have a lifespan and you need to constantly refresh new ads. So if you steal one of these ads and you think that you're going to run it and get great results, you might find that your click-through rates are low. You might find that you're not getting any conversions because it's already been burned out on the network. So you need to freshen it up. Just look at this for ideas and for reassurance that people are in fact making money with this, or else you wouldn't see all of these ads here. So now that we know what ads are running and we know people are running this offer, one of the things, you can just take an example here and click on it. With Adplexity, you can now see more details around the native ads that you're going to be running. But what you can see is this person is running it on Rev Content. That is one of the native ad networks. And you can in fact see the landing page as well. Okay, so I won't show their landing page, but I will show mine. Here's the landing page, just an example of a landing page that we're going to be doing here. So the idea here is we are actually trying to sell a video. We want to sell the idea of somebody watching the video. We're not actually selling the skin cream here that we're promoting. We're going to let the video sales letter do the selling of the skin cream. What we're trying to do is get people off of wherever they were, whether it was CNN or Fox. We're trying to get them to come to our landing page, and then we're trying to convince them to watch a video. So the idea is to make it secret or something mysterious, some type of thing that they want to watch and wonder what it is, okay? And that's the key here. And some other ideas here are to, add a button here. Now, I found this image on Google Images. So if it's somebody else's images, I'm sorry here, but this is an image that I found. But it's very easy to add this play button on to any image. And what you're going to be doing is making it appear like they're going to watch the video. It's going to encourage people to click through to the video sales letter. This will drastically increase your click-through rates as well. And you can see here there was more information about Dr. Ryan Shelton and his presentation, and you have all of the legal stuff that you need for your landing page, as well as the word advertorial at the top. This is important if you're running on placements like Outbrain or Taboola or anywhere else. So the next step is we need to set up tracking. The tracking platform I use is CPV Lab Pro, but there are other ones out there. This one here, Clicklflare, is actually free, and you can use it for free right now. And if you sign up now, you can actually get access to some of the tools that they have inside. One of them being the ability to detect bot traffic, which is very good if you're running native ads or push ads, because there's a lot of bot traffic there, and it makes it easier to determine if some of your placements have that. Now, in addition to Clicklflare, one of the tools I use is called the Optimizer. The Optimizer allows me to create and manage and optimize all of my campaigns automatically through here. So you can connect multiple traffic sources to this, and then it'll actually change your bids. It'll change your, it'll block placements if you want. If you set rules to block placements based on certain things that happen, like for example, if I get a bunch of traffic from placement and the click-through rate on my landing page is less than 3%, I can pause that automatically without having to go manually sift through thousands of placements. I can actually do that now automatically using a tool like the Optimizer. Now, the Optimizer also has a free trial. So you can use it free for 2 weeks. So you can test out all of this that I'm explaining here for free, basically, because you can get your offers for free at Maxweb. You can get access to a free tracker. You can get access to the Optimizer for free. The only thing that might cost you some money is setting up your landing page, but there are free tools for that as well. Like look into system.io, which is a free place that you can set up free landing pages. So all of this can be done for free, aside from, of course, the ads themselves, which we're going to start talking about here now. Once you've connected your landing page to your tracking, and you've logged into the Optimizer and gone through their step-by-step instructions on how to integrate this with your traffic source, now it's time to start setting up your ads. So here we are inside Outbrain, and I do have a campaign running here to show an example here. It's spent roughly about $1,000 so far. And what I want to talk about here is the steps that you need to take when you've chosen your traffic source. So in this case, I've chosen Outbrain. I've connected it to the Optimizer. My offer is all integrated with my tracking from Maxweb, and you can see that the ads are running. But it wasn't just like I signed up to Outbrain and started running ads. what I had to do was first talk to my account manager. The account managers are extremely important. And on places like Outbrain or Taboola or MGID, you will get access to an account manager. And the relationship you have with your account manager is extremely important because they are the people that have access to behind the scenes targeting that you don't have access to. So for example, if I was to come and look at my publisher report here, I can see that I'm getting traffic from some of the most premium placements right out of the gates when I started running this campaign. Okay, New York Post, Fox News, CNN. A lot of times when you start on a network, you're not going to see some of the top placements like this because you are probably getting a bunch of push traffic or you're getting run of the network placements, and that is because you haven't worked directly with them to say, look, I don't want push traffic, I don't want poor placements, I want all of your premium stuff. So if you have a network like this, you can actually do that. So look into these places, like I said, Taboola or Outbrain or MGID, and work directly with somebody to get you these placements, because at the end of the day, the key here is to get the best traffic as possible. But with native ads, it's always going to be a challenge to do targeting because really you need to be running mass appeal offers. So let's look at the ads themselves. So here we are, I'm running the skin offer on iOS and Android. I have separated those into 2 campaigns, and I would recommend, if you're going to test this kind of thing, that you separate your campaigns between desktop, iOS, and Android and track them separately so that you can monitor and optimize them more easily. When you're first starting out and you don't have any conversions on the offer itself, one of the things you need to optimize for is the click-through rates, not only on the click-through of your ads, but more importantly, the click-through of your landing page. In this case, I've tested over 9 landing pages so far, and I finally found one that is getting a high click-through rate and has converted as well into customers. So that is the key here at first, is you are going to start optimizing for click-throughs. Now what I've done is I've gone a step further, and through the Outbrain platform, I've set up automated bidding so that it'll automatically place my ads on placements that are getting conversions. And I've set up the conversion for a click-through as well as the conversion for the sale itself. You can set up other conversions where people arrive on your page and stay for 30 seconds or anything like that to make sure that you are optimizing for real people looking at your page. But in this case, since I'm running a landing page where I don't think people will be there for 30 seconds, I think they're going to come to my page, they're going to click this, and they're going to go to the offer itself. So that is what I've done here. I've set up those ads. So you're also going to want to test multiple ads. You can see here some of them were disapproved for misleading advertising claims. You have to make sure you're following the rules at all times, and that is important. So you can see some of these are approved. I can start looking at the click-through rates, other data. And now the process is to just monitor and start testing ads, testing landing pages, finding those placements that work, and focusing on those themselves. To do that, again, I'm going to repeat that with the optimizer, you can also increase bids when placements start to convert. So if you find some placements doing extremely well, you can start automatically bumping those bids, or you can block all the ones that don't work for you as well. So let's do a quick recap. Step 1, you're going to sign up to Maxweb. They do accept new affiliates. So if you're a new affiliate and you're looking to get into this type of campaign, come here and sign up and get access to their offers. Then once you're here, click on campaigns, choose the niche or topic that you want to focus on, and then pick your offer. Next, you're going to want to set up your landing page. Again, go to Powerhouse Affiliate and get your access to the free training, or use a tool like System.io, which is free. Next, you can spy using a tool like Adplexity, seeing all of the ads and offers running currently. Once you've done that, you set up your tracking using a tool like CPV Lab or a Clicklane. Also integrate that with the optimizer. All of these can be used for free at first. Once this is all integrated, go to your ad platform, pick one like Taboola or Outbrain or MGID, get in contact with your ad account manager first before you run any campaigns. Separate those campaigns into desktop, mobile, or desktop, iOS, Android, whatever it is, and then set up your ads and make sure you're not copying other people's ads. Try and come up with new ideas. Use ChatGPT-4 if that works for you to come up with ideas on new headlines, new images, new descriptions. All of that kind of stuff can be done. and then just start monitoring and make sure you block the placements that have very low click-through rates or extremely high click-through rates. Look at the conversion data and start increasing your focus on those placements. And finally, work together with your account manager to get yourself better placements and more premium traffic. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have more questions, which I'm sure you do, please post them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them, or come into our forum at powerhouseaffiliate.com, where we do discuss this type of stuff all the time. And we'd be happy to discuss this in further detail on your strategies or what you do to make your campaigns better as well. Thanks for watching. See you next week.